We'll guide you through how to gradient mask in Figma. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this guide carefully, because skipping a step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, click on the Windows Start icon on your keyboard to open the Start menu. In the search field, type Google Chrome. Once it appears in the search results, open the Google Chrome browser. After the browser launches, click inside the URL bar, type Figma. From the search results, select the official Figma website and wait for it to load completely. Before proceeding, verify that you're already signed into your Figma account. For this tutorial, open one of your recent projects that already contains an image. Press the R key on your keyboard to activate the rectangle tool. Next, draw a rectangle large enough to completely cover the image layer. After creating the rectangle, move your cursor to the design panel on the right side of the interface and locate the fill section. Click the color box underneath the fill property to open the color settings. Instead of using a solid color, change the fill type to gradient. The gradient editor will display multiple color stops that control the transition between colors. Select one of the color stops to modify its properties. Change its transparency value to 0%, so one side of the gradient becomes fully transparent while the opposite side remains visible. This creates a smooth, fading effect across the shape. Once the gradient has been adjusted, make sure the image layer is positioned above the gradient rectangle in the Layers panel. Then select both the image layer and the gradient shape together. Press Ctrl+Alt+M on your keyboard to create a mask. The gradient rectangle will now act as a mask, causing the image to fade gradually according to the transparency settings of the gradient. You can further adjust the gradient direction, colors, or transparency values later.